Today I will deep dive into the fourth category of the KonMari method. The basic Marie Kondo for miscellaneous items or kimono process is to discard first, then organize what is left. It sounds simple. Let's have a look at how to tackle kimono. Most people tidy by going through a small portion of objects first, usually by convenience, and then trying to put that small portion away before starting everything else. The KonMari process helps you avoid these stopping points. Don't do it little by little. Do your whole house in one go as much as you can. Depending on your schedule, it's okay if it takes up to 6 months. And go by category, not by room. Many of the items in this category are things we keep just in case. It results in many odds and ends that take up space and clutter our homes. So, we can discard most of them. For some items, we keep them as favorites. Such as things for a hobby. You can separate it. Here are the categories that fall under kimono, for Marie Kondo: CDs and DVDs, skincare products, makeup, accessories, valuables like credit cards, passports, medical cards. If you have a lot of items related to a particular hobby, like skiing, include them here. Electrical equipment and appliances like cameras, cords. Anything electric, household equipment like stationery and sewing kits. Household supplies like detergent, medicine, tissues. Kitchen goods and food supplies like spatulas, dishes, pots. For each category, gather all the items together in a giant pile, discard first, then organize what's left. I have a short clip more about kimono. Please subscribe and click a reminder. You will get a notification when a new clip is uploaded.